Hi, Steve. I'm bugging you again about your second paragraph. Um, what I see here in this definition, it's strong. You've got a good start. Basically, you have what I would call your pre-writing done. You've put together your thoughts and your ideas, and now we got to make sure that it flows in a paragraph. And I think what I am missing here when I'm looking at this is a person. So when you were reading through the chapters for week 1, it talked about always stating the subject first, making sure you have a person in the first part of the sentence. So that seems to be what we're missing here. Accountability is getting the job done. That's fine the way it is, but do the work on time. I don't see a person, and so I'm not visualizing a person, so I'm having a hard time connecting the dots as the reader. And then the next sentence, finishing a project, again, I don't have a person, so I think if we could put a person at the beginning of your sentences, the paragraph is going to be stronger. So it might look something like a valuable employee or a reliable employee knows accountability. A reliable employee will be accountable for doing the work on time and not 5 minutes late. Employees striving to make a difference will finish a project before the deadline. So something like that. If we can see the person, we're more likely to understand the paragraph. And it might be accountability, might be your definition, or the definition might actually change to what a reliable employee is. So I want you to think through that. And again, I want you to send in something different. And I also wanted to point you back to our reading. This isn't assigned, or if it is assigned, it's not assigned until later in our class, but it's chapter 33. It's the handbook, so it's the very end of the book. It's about fragments. And so I think that would really help for you to just kind of at least skim through it and get a better idea for what I'm talking about in regards to the paragraphs that the paragraph about accountability. So again, let me know if you have further questions, if you want to connect more, but I would like for you to work on this paragraph some more and email it to me, and then I'll put a grade in the grade book. Thanks, Steve.